Hello and welcome to the 411 on how to make money online. Today in this video we are going to embark on an exciting journey into the realm of online wealth creation. From freelancers who hustle in their pajamas to e-commerce tycoons running multi-million-dollar empires, we have it all. So grab a notepad, buckle up, and let's get started. First, a couple of fun facts. The first online sale was a Sting CD sold on August 11th, 1994. Freelancers can earn anywhere from $5 an hour to $500 per hour depending on their skills and experience. Affiliate marketing generates an estimated $5 billion in annual revenue, and anyone can get started with little know-how. The term side hustle has become so popular that it was added to the Merriam-Webster dictionary in 2017. And the world's most expensive domain name ever sold was LasVegas.com, which went for a whopping $90 million in 2005. Whether you're a digital entrepreneur, freelancer, or someone looking to break into the world of online wealth, this video has something for you. Stick around to discover your path to financial freedom. So without further ado, let's begin our journey to unlock the secrets of making money online. Freelancing is the first thing we do while trying to get rich online. Did you realize that nearly $1 trillion was made by freelancers worldwide last year? 1 trillion. That's accurate. Making money is only one aspect of freelancing. Another is using their abilities and skills to further their own goals. Meet Jane, freelance writer. It has been an amazing trip since I began working as a freelancer 2 years ago. I am able to work on projects that I am enthusiastic about, and the flexibility is a game changer. Regardless of your expertise, be it writing, design, development, or anything else, freelancing provides a global network of clients for you to choose from. You set your own hours and terms for labor. Freelancer.com, Fiverr, and Upwork are a few of the best freelance marketplaces out there. Freelancers are able to work from any location with internet access, whether it is a busy metropolis or a tranquil rural area. The secret to success in freelancing is developing a solid reputation, showcasing your abilities, and producing excellent work and great customer service. Happy customers will tell others and come back for more. Another interesting truth is that experienced freelancers aren't usually the highest paid ones. They're the ones who know how to market themselves effectively. Let's talk about digital storefront e-commerce. Let's change the course now and investigate the fascinating realm of e-commerce. This year, 2023, e-commerce sales have surpassed $4.9 trillion. If you have the appropriate product and approach, you can take advantage of this enormous market. Meet e-commerce expert Alex. I began with an internet business and a basic concept. Now I run a profitable e-commerce enterprise. There are endless possibilities in this business. E-commerce platforms make it simple to sell handmade crafts, niche products, or globally sourced goods. Well-known e-commerce platforms include BigCommerce, WooCommerce, and Shopify. With these platforms, you can start up your digital storefront, accept payments, and reach customers worldwide. Another interesting truth about Amazon is that it was just a tiny online book retailer. It demonstrates that e-commerce can expand faster than you could ever imagine. In order to be successful in e-commerce, you must prioritize branding, marketing, and product selection. Although there is competition, there are a ton of opportunities. Affiliate marketing. We move on to affiliate marketing next. Again, $5 billion industry revolves around the significance of recommendation. Consider getting paid to promote goods you genuinely believe in. Seems too wonderful, too good to be true. Meet Mark, the affiliate marketer. I'm promoting items that I firmly believe in, and I'm now living the life I always wanted. It's a win-win for me and my audience. Affiliate marketers collaborate with businesses to advertise their goods. A commission is paid when you reach a lead or a sale that you produce. Among the affiliate marketing networks are ShareASale, ClickBank, and Amazon Associates. Best feature, it is not necessary for you to make your own goods. A blog, a YouTube channel, or social media presence are good places to start. Another interesting fact, the highest paid affiliate marketers frequently concentrate on specialized or niche items in order to develop their authority. To succeed in affiliate marketing, it's all about trust, transparency, and quality of your recommendations. Next area, at last, we reach the highest point of creating riches online, digital entrepreneurship. It's all about scaling quickly and thinking large. The possibilities for profit are endless when it comes to digital entrepreneurs who create online empires. Introducing Sarah, a digital entrepreneur. My adventure began with a simple concept. I currently own a portfolio of successful internet ventures. Making systems that function for you is the key. These business owners frequently create several revenue streams by diversifying their sources of income. Another interesting truth is that a lot of the internet entrepreneurs begin with very little money. They made great use of their abilities, inventiveness, and diligence. You need perseverance, a clear vision, and a readiness to change and grow if you want to become a digital entrepreneur. So there you have it, your roadmap to online wealth. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it provided you with value and inspiration. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell for more valuable content. As always, thanks for watching.